Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and today I will show you how to record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the screen recorder toggle, which for me is basically the last toggle visible. And once you find it, you can, basically tap on it. It looks like there's no settings for it. Once you tap on it, it does give you these two options right here. So show touches on screen, meaning that it will basically display a semi-transparent gray dot on the screen on the recording itself, wherever you were touching the display. And additionally, the second option is for the sound. So we have microphone, device audio, or both. When picking the last option for both, do use headphones with this because it will record the internal sound of the device from applications and such. And then it will also use a microphone to pick up your voice, obviously. But if you're listening to something through speakers, the microphone might also pick up the sound system that is coming through speakers again. So that will create an echo effect that you might probably not want in your recording. I do recommend you to use headphones for that. Or if you just want to have the recording off sound, but actually don't care for hearing it yourself, I believe you can mute it completely. And even though you won't be able to hear it, I think it still records it normally. So that's another option you can do. Anyway, from here you can select start, and this will immediately start countdown from 3 and then start recording. Actually, it gives you also a little sound for it that it records now. So yeah. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done recording, you can pull down your notification panel, tap to stop recording, and voila, it's now stopped, and that recording was saved into your photo gallery. So I'll open that up quickly, and it should be, there we go. I'm just gonna let it run, and you can see that is the recording right here. I didn't opt into the fingerprint or finger touches to be recorded, so that's why it doesn't look like anything. I'm not touching anything, and it just moves on its own. So anyway, this is the recording, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.